If Photoshop just crashed or you accidentally deleted an important PSD file, don't panic. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to recover unsaved or deleted Photoshop files using built-in features that most people don't even realize are there. These quick methods can save hours of work and a lot of frustration. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss the prevention tip that can stop this from happening again. And if this helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy Photoshop tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first and most important method is checking Photoshop AutoRecovery. Photoshop automatically saves recovery information in the background while you're working. If the program crashes, there's a very good chance your file is still stored in the AutoRecovery folder. Start by reopening Photoshop after the crash. Sometimes the recovered file will appear automatically as soon as the program launches. If it does, immediately save it with a new name. If it doesn't pop up automatically, go to Edit at the top menu, then choose Preferences and click on File Handling. Inside the file handling settings, look for the option called Automatically Save Recovery Information. Make sure this box is checked. You'll also see how often Photoshop saves recovery data. If this was enabled before the crash, your file should exist in the AutoRecovery folder. To manually locate it, navigate to your computer's AutoRecovery directory. On Windows, this is typically inside the App Data folder under Adobe Photoshop AutoRecovery. On Mac, you can find it inside Library under Application Support and then Adobe Photoshop AutoRecovery. Open that folder and look for files with recent timestamps. Open them in Photoshop and immediately save them properly. The second method is much simpler and often overlooked. Check the recent files list. Sometimes the file wasn't deleted at all, it's just not where you expected it to be. Open Photoshop, click on File, and then select Open Recent. Look through the list carefully and see if your missing project appears there. If it does, click on it and resave it to a location you can easily find. This quick check alone solves the problem for many users. Now, let's talk about cloud recovery, which is available in newer versions of Photoshop. If you are working with cloud documents instead of saving locally, Adobe automatically keeps version history online. Open Photoshop and go to the home screen. Click on Cloud Documents. Find your project in the list, then select Version History. Here, you can view and restore earlier versions of your file. This is incredibly useful if you overwrote something by mistake or need to roll back to a previous edit. Finally, here's a very important tip to prevent future data loss. Go back to Edit, then Preferences, then File Handling, and set Automatically Save Recovery Information to every 5 minutes. This ensures Photoshop frequently stores backup data while you work. The shorter the interval, the less work you risk losing during a crash. And that's it. Those are the fastest ways to recover unsaved or deleted Photoshop files using AutoRecovery, recent files, and cloud version history. If this video helped you recover your project, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick Photoshop fixes and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.